Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to order on Amazon for the first time in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. First things first, you want to simply open your App Store or Play Store and download the Amazon shopping app and click on open. And this is going to be the screen that you're going to be welcomed with. You want to go to menu and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Or if you don't have any account, then you want to simply go ahead and create an account. So once you've done so, you want to simply go ahead and look for a product that you want to purchase. Let's just say for now, this little AirPod. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on buy now. And now simply go ahead and confirm your purchase. I am going to simply go ahead and log in with one of my accounts. And there you go. Simply go ahead and add your delivery address and then your payment method, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.